Hi,
How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine. Can I ask some questions?
Yes,
Can he listen the spoken English?
yes, he can listen the spoken English.
Can she cook the chicken?
Yes, she can.
Can he ride a bicycle?
Yes, he can ride a bicycle.
Can you take it?
Yes, I can take it.
Can she write an essay?
Yes, she can ride an essay. Essay.
Can you eat chocolate?
Yes, I can eat chocolate.
Can you understand my questions?
Don't raise your hand, just switch on the mic and say it.
The flower vase is on the table.
The flower vase is on the table. It's vase, okay? It's vase.
Was.
Okay, anything about this?
The flowers are into the vase.
Yeah, the flowers are inside the vase. The flowers are inside the vase. When you say inside, it means something is inside another thing. Okay. Into means when something is going into, it's not finished. Okay. Put it into something. So it's not finished. When you say inside, it's already inside. That's not the exact rule, but for explanation, I'm telling that to you. Okay, I'll show another picture. Somebody say about this.
Book
Just
on
just
the
switch on the mic and say.
book on the bed.
Yeah, but there has to be a tense. You have to say talk about the time. When is this happening? Is this in the past? Is this in the present? Is this in the
The book
future?
is on the bed.
Yeah, correct. The book is on the bed. So you have to say that word is. That means it's in the present tense. Very good. Somebody say about this.
The book is on the bed.
Correct. Can you talk about the bed sheet? Where is the bed sheet?
The bed sheet is under the book.
Correct. So if you talk about the book is on the bed sheet or on the bed. But if you talk about the bed sheet is under the book. Correct. What about this?
The notebook on the below.
Yeah, notebook on the pillow. But what is the tense? இறந்த காலம், நிகழ்காலம், எதிர்காலம். இது என்ன காலம்?
The notebook is நிகழ்காலம்.
Present.
Yes.
Present tense.
Yeah, present tense. So say it again.
The book, the notebook is on the below.
Yeah, the notebook is on the pillow. That is correct. அது நிகழ்காலம். The notebook on the pillow உண்டா அது எனக்கு கஷ்டகாலம். Okay. சரி. You have to think about the tense, whether it's present tense, past tense, or future tense. Right. Somebody say about this picture. There's a bed sheet, there's a book, there's a pillow.
There is a below on the bed.
No, it's not below, it's a pillow. P. There's a pillow on the bed, correct?
The pillow near the book.
Correct. But this is கஷ்டகாலம். I want one tense. நிகழ்காலம், இறந்த காலம், எதிர்காலத்துல இருக்கும். கஷ்டகாலத்துல சொல்லக்கூடாது. Say it again.
The below is near the book.
Correct. The pillow is near the book. Or you can say the pillow is next to the book. The pillow is on the bed. Pillow, not
In front,
pillow. Sorry?
the notebook is in front the below.
The notebook is in front of the pillow. Yes, you can also say that. In front means usually if two things are like this. One is in front of the other. Okay, this is in front. Behind, in front. But this is like this. So you say next to. The pillow is next to. If it is like this, in front. Behind. Right. Anything else about this picture?
The bed sheet is Under the book.
And
Right. Correct. Okay. I'll show you some more pictures. Uh-huh.
The apple is next to the banana.
Correct.
The banana is near the apple.
Okay. Correct. Right. Anybody else?
Apple and banana are inside of the basket.
Correct. You can say the apple
fruits
and the
are
banana.
fruits,
Yes,
fruits
yes.
are in the basket.
Right. You can say in the basket. Okay. You don't need to say inside the basket. It's in the basket. When you say inside the basket, you are trying to say very specifically where there's an outside and there's an inside. If you talk about a bottle, then clearly there's an inside and there's an outside. If this is a basket, you simply put something in the basket, not into the basket. If it is confined like a bottle, you put something into the bottle. Also, if the basket is closed, then you can say the
Winter.
banana is inside the basket. And if something is outside, you can say the apple is outside the basket and inside the basket. But now if this is open, this is not very confined. So you can say it's in the basket, right? The apple is in the basket, the banana is in the basket, the fruits are in the basket. So where is the basket?
The basket is on the table.
Yes, the basket is on the table or on the floor. I'm not sure whether it's on a table or a floor.
Oh,
Right. Let's talk about this.
The banana is between the glass and apple.
Yeah, that's a nice try. So the banana is in between, the banana is in between the glass and apple. Okay. So when you have something, let's say this is in between my hands. Okay. This is a hand, this is a hand, and this is in between the hands. Right. So when something is in between two things, you say between. The banana is in between the apple and the glass. Okay. Anybody else?
The banana and apple and glass on the table.
Kastavalam.
Sorry, in the table.
Yeah, but say it again, please.
Apple and banana and glass in the table.
Kalam, inna kalam. Is it present tense, past tense, or future tense?
Present tense.
Then you have to say that auxiliary verb.
Apple and banana are.
Yeah, apple, banana, and glass are, because three things. It's plural. Three things are there. So it's plural. The apple, banana, and the glass are on the table. Okay, it's on the table. Right.
Fruits are near the glass.
Yeah, fruits are near the glass. That's also correct.
the fruits are on the tree.
Yes.
Fruits
Anything
are
else?
hanging the tree.
Fruits are hanging
On the tree.
on the tree, in the tree, from the tree. It depends on the situation and the condition what you're talking about. Okay. But the funny thing is, an artificial intelligence draw all these pictures. It drew the pictures. Okay. I didn't draw any of this. The computer drew. Okay. Can you believe it? Yeah, say it.
Dog is behind the tree.
Correct.
The dog. Oh,
Yes.
The dog is
Mm.
in from the tree.
In front of the tree. Okay.
the
Yes, Nelson.
the dog is under the tree.
Yeah, that's also correct.
The tree is next to the dog.
Yes, that is also correct. There are flowers. Can somebody talk about the flowers? Say something about the flowers, please.
The flowers are in the tree.
Yes.
The flowers are hanging on the tree.
Yes, the flowers are hanging from the tree.
The flowers
Correct.
are on the dog.
When you say on, this is on. Okay. This is my right hand. This is my left hand. My right hand is on my left hand.
Right.
Now, yeah. Now my right hand is above my left hand.
Above.
Yeah. So this is on. This is above. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So the flowers are above
Flowers
the
are
dog.
above the dog.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah, let's try another one.
The dog is
The fox is near the tree.
First of all, okay, if you think this is a dog, then this is a dog. If you think this is a fox, then this is a fox. I don't care about that. But this it's not a fox. It's a fox. Okay, it's a fox. Say it again, please.
The fox is near the tree.
Correct.
the fox is next to the tree.
The fox is next to the tree. Correct.
The fox is under the tree.
Yes, the fox is under the tree. That's also correct.
The fox is between the tree.
Between the tree or trees. Yes,
Trees.
correct. Yeah, the fox is between the trees. When you say between, there are only two things. Okay. Now, these are two of my hands, and then this is one finger. If I want to talk about this, I say my thumb is in between my hands. That means there are two hands. If I talk about my face, I cannot say my face is between my fingers. That's wrong. When you say between, there's only two. You only have two things, and then you put another thing in between. So now this is in between. This is not between. Okay? When you say between, the fox is in between this tree and that tree. Okay? Or you can say the fox is in between two trees. You cannot say the fox is in between three trees. That's wrong. Okay? You can use between only when there are two objects and there's something in the middle. Okay?
Can
Yes.
you say it again, please?
Yeah. Okay. In this example, you see a lot of trees, but you're talking about this tree in the front and this tree in the back. So you have to say the fox is in between this tree and that tree. So there are only two objects, this tree, that tree, and the fox in the middle. So you can say between two things. Now, if there are 3, 4 trees on one side, say another 3, 4 trees on another side, the other side, you cannot say the fox is in between the trees. Okay? Between means this side and that side, this and that. You have to say the fox is between this and that. Okay? So there's one here, there's one there, and in between there's another. Understood? Hi, did you understand? Okay, good, good, good. So thank you very much. Today's content was that, only prepositions, but I want you to go through a video. There's a video on the British Council's website, British Council's YouTube channel. I'll put the link here. It's a 1-hour video, okay? And it will be difficult for you to understand the first time because the pronunciation is very much native. So you might not be able to understand the pronunciation in the first place. If you don't understand it, don't worry about it.